Hello and welcome back to our channel. As we're about to kick off a new financial year, it's a great time to get a first credit card. Whether you're looking for rewards, cashback or travel perks, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax and let's dive into some of the best credit cards for first timers in Australia. This is not financial advice. I make these videos for educational purposes, so do not consider this a financial advice. Think about how many times in the last month you've used a debit card to pay for something. What if I told you just by switching your debit card for a new credit card, you can travel to your favorite destination for free, buy something you really wanted but haven't saved the money for, or get a discount at your favorite restaurant. And the list keeps going. In the last 3 years, I've traveled around the world in business class, stayed at great hotels which I booked using my reward points, and have done much more. So keep watching this video to learn how you can do the same just by using a credit card. So if you're new to the workforce and do not have any credit history, getting a credit card and paying it off in full every month will help you build up your credit score. But you may ask, why do credit providers offer so much free stuff? What's the catch here? So how do the credit card companies make money when they keep giving you freebies? 3 ways how they make money are: number 1, the sign-up fee. This will be an yearly fee you pay to use the credit card, and if you use the credit card well, this will be your only expense. Number 2, interest and late fee charges. So if you fail to pay your balance in full at the end of each cycle, the bank charges you a very high interest rate. Number 3, transaction fees. So every time you make a payment using your card, the bank charges the merchant a small fee. It usually ranges between 1 to 3% of the transaction value. So these are the 3 ways how the bank makes money from a credit card. So these are some of the things you can do to get the most value out of your credit card. Most credit card providers offer you a sign-up bonus when you sign up for a new card. These bonuses can be frequent flyer points, cashback offers, etc. So once you have used up these benefits, cancel the credit card before the next year's fee is due. Always remember to pay your balance up in full each month and never pay any interest to the bank. And start using your credit card for all your expenses. This will give you more reward points based on your spending. Some credit card providers come up with periodic offers for shopping, for discounts at various restaurants, etc. So make sure you keep an eye out for these offers and use them wisely. Now here are my favorite 3 cards for first timers in no particular order. The first one is the ANZ low rate credit card with the cashback offer. This card is free for the first year, and from the second year onward you have to pay a fee of $58. If you apply for this credit card right now, you can get a cashback of $250 when you spend at least $1,500 in the first 3 months. The second credit card is the Kohl's no annual fee MasterCard. So as the name suggests, this card does not have any annual fee. And on top of that, if you sign up for this credit card right now, you get a bonus of 30,000 Flybuys points, which can be used towards your grocery bills at Kohl's and also to book reward tickets at Virgin Australia. The third card is the Qantas Premier Everyday Credit Card. This card has an annual fee of $49 and will get you 8,000 Qantas points as a sign-up bonus, which are enough to get you a one-way flight ticket from Sydney to Melbourne. And on top of that, you earn 1 Qantas frequent flyer point for every dollar you spend on this card. Links for all these credit cards will be in the description below, so do check them out. That's it, folks, for today's video. And if you like the video, then hit the thumbs up button and do leave a comment, as it massively helps the video.